Hello guys, I hope my voice is clear and you are able to hear me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Map API key with which you will be able to show map on your website and will be able to perform some other tasks. First of all, I would like to ask you if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so you can get the all informative videos that will help you for your websites. So let's start the process. First of all, we will type Google Map API console, or we will type just Google Map console. Once you will be here, you will see these options using API keys, maps, map JavaScript, and Google Developers. Click on that. Click on that. Then you will see. Okay, here. Then you will see this thing. Go to Google Map Console, Platform Credentials. On the credential page, click Create Credentials, API key. This is written instructions, but I will guide you by making video. There is another video, but it is very confusing. I have found this is very confusing. That's why I'm going to make it for you. So first of all, you will need to be logged into your account on the Google, and then you can start the process. Then you need to go on to credentials page. It will bring you to the dashboard of the Google Map. Okay, here it is. So you will have to create a new project. I already have many projects, but for you I will create a new project. You can create a new project from select by selecting this option, new project, or you can create a new project from here. I will go from here because this is very common and is used. Here you can name the project whatever your website name. I'm going to name it Tel Solutions, which is my agency, and after that click on create. It will take some seconds to create the project. Okay, so I think it's created. Yes, as you can see, Tel Solutions, this project is created. Once this project is created, you need to click on here and then go here, come over here, dashboard, API services and dashboard. This step you must need to do, else you will be confused. Okay, so you can see this, we are here. So what you have to, once you are here and the project is exactly what you have selected, you need to click on library, and here you will have to enable certain API keys like geocoding, geolocation API key, maps embed API key, maps JavaScript API key, and places API key. These are five mandatory API keys. They must needs to be enabled. I will enable it now. And this one, places API key. Click on enable. Do enable all the others as well: geolocation, geocoding, maps embed, and maps JavaScript. Once you will see this option, you can close the windows. Because we just need one window. Okay, here we are. I will again go click on here, API services, dashboard. Okay, after that click on credentials, and here you will need to create a credentials. Click on API key, and you can copy this API key and send to your developer, or you can use this one, this API key. Now this is another important step that will need it by you. to add billing details, because Google Map API key is just free for some time. After that, it is paid. You can see the pricing of the Google API key. Let me check. Click on pricing table, and here you will be able to see the price. Here is maps. Like there is different price. It's not very much, but there is. You will be, if you want, you can check the whole table easily with ease. Okay, so what I was saying, we need to connect, add billing details. Click on this one option, and again click on billing. Here it will ask you to add your billing details. As you can see, link a billing account or manage. If you already have, then you can manage billing account. When you will create billing account, and here you will have to select your country and other details as well. You can mid-sized company, and work email. You will have to type a work email, then click on terms of service. Okay, and then click on continue. Okay, oh yes, it requires business email. So for now, I'm just adding a dummy email. Okay, then click on create, continue, and verification code. It will send verification code to this email, and once you will enter the code, then it will take you to the page where it will ask you to add your credit or debit card or connect any other means of payment, so it will charge you in future. Once you will add your payment, the last step will be just save option, and that's all. Then API key will be working and functional. So this was the video for how to create Google Map API key that will be usable for your website. So again, I will ask you to subscribe my channel for more informational videos. And if there is any question, or is there if there is any specific request, you can just ask me. I will try to make a video for you for that specific request. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.